Today I have some leaks and rumors about the Galaxy Tab S7. So let's get into it. What's up YouTube? It's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to talk about some rumors and leaks for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Now, if you've seen my video before, you know I had the Tab S6 and man, I love that tablet. Love that tablet. It was really hard for me to give that tablet up and go back to my iPad. I love my iPad too, and I'm in the Apple ecosystem like crazy, but I'm also in the Google ecosystem. So, I'm gonna tell you, it was hard to let that one go. It was hard, but I'm gonna give you all the specs and one thing that we were expecting, but might not be coming. Okay, let's jump on in. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is going to be unveiled at Unpacked on August 5th. Yes, August 5th. And it's going to be unveiled alongside the Galaxy Note 20. Hopefully the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip, the 5G version. So it'll have all those, so it'll be a really good event. I hope Samsung can, brighten it up, make it good, funny, like Apple did their event. I mean, just because COVID's out here and we can't all be together doesn't mean that you can't do a awesome presentation like Apple did. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is going to come in two variants. It's going to come with a normal variant, which is probably just for some light use, just a good tablet for just average people, and then they're going to have a Plus version, and that's going to be the performance one. The Plus will have a 12.4 inch screen. It'll have the specs that rival the iPad. The Tab S7, just the normal one, will probably have a display of around like the 10.4 inches or maybe an 11 inch. Okay guys, I'm going to give you the specs, but I got to read them off my sheet because there's a lot of them. So, you're going to get the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. You're going to have a battery that's around, 7,700 milliamps, and the bigger variant, the Plus, that will be 10,090 millihertz. So that's a big old battery right there. So I'm telling you, they're coming for the iPad Pro. They're coming for them. You also get 45 watt super fast charging, and both the devices, there will be a variant of those devices that'll have cellular, and it'll be 5G. Of course, this is Samsung, so they're all going to have beautiful and crisp AMOLED screens. They're going to have a quad speaker system that's tuned by AKG. Of course, it's Samsung. Just like the Tab S6, you're going to get S Pen, and you're going to get probably a back cover and the keyboard cover. So, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now, you got to talk about a big rumor they had that has since been debunked, but I'm going to tell you what I think is going to happen. So, there were all these rumors and leaks going around saying that the Tab S7 was going to come with a in-screen fingerprint scanner, but that has been debunked and they said that's not happening. So what I'm thinking is that the Tab S7 is going to have that fingerprint scanner built into the display. The ultra scanner is going to be built into the display, but only for the Plus model. I think they're like, if you're going to pay the extra money, then you'll get it. So that's what I'm thinking. I mean, Samsung knows that if you want to rival the iPad Pro, you want to knock them out, or at least try, or at least get Android tablets back to, at least competitive. You're going to have to bring those special features, the things that the iPad does not have, And even with the normal Tab 7, I think they may even just, whatever they're going to do, put the fingerprint scanner on the power button. Maybe they'll have some special Face ID technology that just opens it right away. I mean, they already have that on the Tab S6, so maybe they're gonna tighten up the security on that and make that work. Or they could even do that on the Plus variant. That it might just be the whole thing we're moving to, getting away from the fingerprint scanners and moving over to just Face ID. But I honestly think that the big premium version, you know, the most expensive version, will have the fingerprint scanner in the display, the Ultra one in the display. So, but again, that's just my opinion. Okay, again, that's it. That's all I got. But any more leaks and rumors that come out, I'm going to definitely do some videos for you guys, and, you know, try to keep you updated on what's coming out, especially if you're as excited as I am. Also, when it actually does drop, you know, I'll have that unboxing, I'll have that review, you know, so stay tuned to the channel. If you found value in this video, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I release. Also, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video, you would make my day. You would be the awesome, awesome, awesome person that just made my day. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.